I have no hearing protection. I'm gonna risk my ears. Going on for a while. There it is. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh, this is still here. I remember putting that on here last time, a couple weeks ago. Jeez, that kind of went. I think that was more 4 minutes actually. I set this camera on late because I did a Facebook Live, but that disconnected. So I just recorded for the last minute. Holy crap! This time it was more exciting for some reason. I was stupid for getting under it. Wow. I was running around like there was a nuke about to hit the earth. My ear hurts. I wonder why. I wish I didn't forget my hearing protection. I'm dumb. Holy crap. Alright, there's someone at the fire department, and the control box is in there. That could sound it off in fast whale. Is there a train coming? I know. Holy. Get a view of this train. Where's it at?
Over there, I'm pretty. No, it's over there.
Today, very,
No, it's over there.
very, very eventful. I hear it. I hear it.
Why is it right after that's done?
A lot of loud stuff.
I see it.
I see it. Jesus. There's some dude casually running. Jesus. Very long. Today was weird. We got a 2001 really weird Growl and Sterling, which was pretty cool. And now this, right after the Sterling. What is going on? What's next? Tornado warning for Franklin County? Bird feather. A lot of people and the car's waiting. Oh, that is... Well, what? That was cool. I like this graffiti that they do. It's pretty cool, actually. We're gonna be here for a good 10 minutes. My video's already almost 10 minutes long. How long is this dang train? I wonder how long it took to attach all these pieces. Dang. Bro, I'm about to do like an Overwatch type of slide under the train. A lot of people waiting. Or 3 isn't a lot. What am I talking about? Wow. 10 minutes and 27 seconds. How long is this gonna be? Oh my. Calm down. We're trapped, basically. There's the end. There we are. There's people on a golf cart. Finally. Now we gotta wait on this truck. And we good. That was one long train. That's a good 5-minute long train or something. Probably about the same length of the Siren test. What was that? Probably went to a train. Or something on a train, I should say. I know, the live disconnected, so I just did a video for the rest of the test.
Okay, cool. Maybe I got in trouble and I didn't know.
No, it said like disconnect, like the Wi-Fi or something disconnected.
Yeah, we got some
Nice. Bed tour. Today was a very eventful day. 2 Siren tests in one day, and a train.
Except for the first tornado sign, though.
I mean, it counts because it did slightly go off, and we heard like 5 others in the background. Oh, it's pretty cool. Huh? I wasn't able to get an undershot because I was in a rush, but that's okay. That was the coolest. That was so cool. Wonder how many views that'll get. Sterling Model M test along with a really long train. What the heck? gonna be like really late for the test. That's why I was running. If you check out my channel, which is Vortexstar, you will see that I was running before the test. I don't want to. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I got a piece of coal.
That was crazy. I'm gonna upload this video.